Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tiger's Heart. Give me just few minutes of your time and I will show you unboxing and preparing to work Samsung washing machine and why I regret buying that machine. First we need to use sharp blade to cut all this plastic cover. Now just remove all styrofoam that protect your washing machine during the transport. You must remove all 3 transport bolts, so use Samsung provided wrench key to unscrew it. They are little tight in the beginning, but after that they are starting to loose. You can finish unscrewing those bolts with your bare hands. Then just pull them gently out. Use provided black plastic covers and place them to the holes where bolts were mounted. Add this plastic cover too. Use this plastic piece for drain hose so the hose bends properly. Mount drain hose to this drain pipe. Next add fresh water hose and screw it down to this pipe. Make sure that you screw it down tightly. Mount other side of that hose to your washing machine and also screw it tightly. Now it's moment of truth. Plug your washing machine to power supply. Now I'm going to add some clothes to wash it for the first time. Now let's add some washing powder to washing machine. You have possibility to choose from various programs. Let's take this to the short washing cycle of 15 minutes. It is very easy to choose programs with this round selector and machine is running very smoothly. I'm very pleased how this machine is quiet while operating. When the washing cycle is over, Samsung machine beeps you with this specific sound. Now I'm gonna tell you why I regret buying this Samsung machine. I regret that I didn't buy it sooner. That is my only complaint. This machine is great. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next video. Bye bye.